Hello, my name is Glennceria and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Happy Vlogmas Day 16, guys. Isn't that something? Well, before we get into the video, which is Bath Truffles, this is our final week on Bath Truffles, okay? Let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Come on, let's get into this video. How is everyone doing out there? I hope you all are fine. So, our featured soap of today, Baby Love. Baby Love. Baby Love is made with organic buttermilk and organic pureed carrots. Okay, so all I did was puree the carrots with distilled water. That's all that's in here, with organic buttermilk and a little lavender essential oil. Very gentle for babies, and of course anybody can use them. But they're made especially for baby skin. Very gentle, mild soap. And it's named Baby Love. Okay? So that's the soap of today. Baby Love. Made with pureed organic carrots. Along with organic buttermilk. With a little lavender essential oil. Baby Love. All right, let's get into it, guys. So what we have today, we're making our sunny days. This is it, the last one. And I decided to go back and use our little mini brownie mold again, okay? I like that mold. And we're going to use orange Colorant Epsom salt, okay? So let me get my gloves on. And let's get it, right? So are you done with your shopping yet? Almost finished? How do you like Vlogmas? Every day you get a blog all the way up to Christmas. Isn't that nice? I'm enjoying. I'm getting everything done that I need to get put into the shop, so I'm enjoying it, you know? I hope you are enjoying my content and getting something out of it. I hope you are. Oh, can't get my bag open. Get the bag open. Get the bag open. I wonder why. Uh-oh, the whole thing went off. Look at that. Well, that's okay. There you go. All right, so you know what we're going to do. All I'm going to do. Can you see? I hope you can see. Let me bring you down just a little more. There you go. I hope you can see that. I want to make sure you're able to see, guys. There you go. All right. And all I'm going to do is just spread these on the bottom of each one of these little brownie cavities. That's all. We're just giving it, they're making it orange. Why? Because it's sunny days. And the essential oil we are going to be using will be sweet orange. Sweet orange essential oil. And the name of these bath truffles are called Sunny Days. I have a soap for sunny days that's made with calendula petals. I have shower steamers for sunny days. And I can make body butters. I think I have made them before, but I haven't made them recently. But if you would like for me to make body butters with sweet orange oil, that all you have to do is just request that when you go into my Etsy shop, and I will definitely make it for you. That's a custom request, that's all. No problems. As long as I have the essential oil, I have no problem of making it. Okay? All right. That wasn't too bad. That didn't hurt too bad, did it? Just flatten it down some. Even it up. Don't really matter. Let's put a little bit more here, a little bit there. You just want to make sure that the bottom is covered, that's all. All right. So let me show you that. Let's clean up our edges. Show you what that looks like. Okay. All right. We put that over to the side and let's bring in the star of the day, which is our baking soda and citric acid is in here. I'm breaking up some of the clumps as you can see. Let me give you the quote of today for Vlogmas Day 16. The quote of today is, just breathe. I like that. Just breathe, guys. Just breathe. That's all. Sweet orange oil. Oh, that smells really good. And here we have our butters, which are organic mango butter, organic cocoa butter, and organic shea butter. Let's get it in. We're going to take it all. This is the last Bath Truffle we've been making for the holidays. So we have made what? Lemon to my lime, which was done with lemongrass. We have made Heavenly Lavender, which was done with lavender essential oil. We also have made, what else have we made? We have made Mother Earth, which was done with eucalyptus and rosemary. We just made that one yesterday, right? Yeah, I think that's it. And I think I need to come back and do lang-a-lang. I don't know, I'm not sure. Paradise. All right, let's put our sweet orange in. Oh, it's in. It's in, it's smelling good. Getting it all combined together. And then you know what I always do. I always take a piece, get it into my essential oil, and wipe it around because we want all of that. And I'm going to do the same thing with my measuring cup that had the butters. Because look at all that butter in there. Nope, absolutely not. Look at that. We're not going to leave that in there. We need that. So let's get it in there. Swish it around some and bring it out. Waste not, want not, right? That's right. No waste in here. Not when you're using good ingredients like that. Absolutely not. Good to the last drop, guys. Good to the last drop. Yeah, just take it easy and just breathe. Let's just breathe. Take a step back from things. I know things can be chaotic right now. You trying to make a lot of things happen and, you know, be all great and everything and kill yourself. Take it easy and just breathe, guys, all right? All right, look at that. Nice. All right, let's bring it in. Now, I could have put a tint of orange in it, but I didn't. I tell you, I'm not a big fan of a lot of color and stuff. I like to let you enjoy the benefits of things instead of all of it looking all pretty and stuff. Okay, so I didn't want to do that. Also, remember, it's very slippery when you get in the tub, so be cautious with that, okay? Always remember that when using these bath truffles. Because why? You know it's full of butters. You just saw me put 3 different kind of butters in here. All right, so might as well get the rest of that in and then let's work it out, right? Can you see? I hope you can see, family. I hope you can see this, and all I'm doing is pushing and packing in. And then going to the next one, pushing, packing in. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? You know I still need my 1,000 subscribers so my channel can be monetized and get commercials on them. Come on, guys. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. That would be a wonderful Christmas gift for me to wake up and see that I have my 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Make it happen. I know you can. Tell your friends and family and co-workers about Glennceria Loving Hands. Do you like my tutorials? I hope you do. If you're subscribed to my channel, did you put your name down so I can get you in the raffle? I have giveaways for Christmas, guys. Come on. Make sure that you just comment down on any of December's videos that I am a loyal subscriber to Glennceria Loving Hands. And then I place your name in the raffle. I have some giveaways to give away for the holidays. I can't do it if I don't have any names. Okay? And you can also do it on my Instagram. You can go to my Instagram, Glenceria Loving, and leave your comment there too as well. Okay? Or any video for the month of December. Just leave your comment. I am a loyal subscriber to Glennceria Loving Hands. That's all you need to do. So let's make that happen. Let's make that happen. So within another 2 days, we will be labeling these, and these also will be placed into my Etsy shop. Tomorrow's video will be the unmolding and labeling of Mother Earth, guys. Okay? Because they're ready to go. And while we'll do those, then we'll wait for these to be ready. Okay? Look at that. Perfect. Look at all that butter goodness, guys. And remember to wear your gloves. I need to just, there's not enough for there, but that's okay. Let's clean it up. Absolutely gorgeous. Make sure you pack them down firmly. Pack them down firmly. Let's start here and just do the packing down firmly. You want to make sure that it catches some of that Epsom salt at the bottom. So apply some pressure. Plus you want to make sure that it's a nice solid bath truffle too as well, okay? Nice solid bath truffle. Have you tried any of my bath truffles? Has anybody tried my bath truffles yet? Comment down below if you have. And anybody don't know by now, my Etsy shop is Glennceria Loving Hand. Take the S off of hands. Okay? And I'm on Etsy. Look how beautiful. Oh, these are gonna be really nice. All right. Coming to the end here. I'm just cleaning up. Cleaning up. Quote of today, just breathe. Featured soap of today, Baby Love, made with organic coconut milk and organic pureed carrots, along with lavender essential oil. And that is it for Baby Love. Can be used on babies and anybody else with sensitive, gentle skin. All right. This little one will be for me. Always got to take care of you, right? Absolutely. Wow, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Let me bring you up. Well, let me take my gloves off. I'll bring you right back. Okay, so we done. Look how beautiful they are. All right, so I'm going to sit these for 24 hours, and then we'll come back and we will unmold, label, wrap, all that good stuff. Listen, have a wonderful day. Love you much. Mwah, from Glennceria Loving Hands. Don't forget, this is Vlogmas Day 16. I see you tomorrow in my next video. Love you. Have a great day, guys. Bye for now.